Bye.
Bitch,
Bitch, don't fucking play with me. Why the fuck your goddamn donut sitting up on top of your head like that? Don't come for me, bitch.
You liking what you see? If you do, then go and follow me. Yeah. Hey, what I said. Hit that sub button and that bell. Yeah. Period. She underscore her genetics. Video with me live the show.
What's up, Thought Pockets, and welcome back to my channel for another freaking video. Period. So y'all, as y'all can tell by the title of the video, I'm about to be staring at these bitches again, getting all these bitches riled up, because that's what I do, that's what I did, that's what I does. Us Thought Pockets, we get these bitches riled up, like, period. So if y'all didn't check part 1, y'all make sure y'all checked it out. Totally hilarious. I didn't say anything in that video. Now I've been seeing y'all comments talking about part 2, telling me that I gotta go in on their ass this time, so that's what I'm here to do. And this time, to make it even better, because they kept calling me, well, they were saying I was pretty at first, but then when I gave them the fucking stank look, that's when they want to call me ugly, bitch. Okay, bitch, so I'm gonna come up here with a goddamn full face of makeup. I know I'm not ugly, bitch. I wasn't ugly then, but I know I'm not fucking ugly now if a bitch doubting it. So full face of makeup. What the fuck y'all gonna say now, bitch? Call me another cow? I might be moo, bitch.
I'm a cow, I go moo.
Bitch, get out my fucking way, cause how I come moo, bitch, cause the last girl called me a fucking cow. Make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now before we even get into the video, because I already know, like, this shit about to be lit. I got a feeling, like, I just got a feeling this shit about to be lit, and I ain't even recorded this shit yet, okay? But I already know, so go ahead and subscribe, bitch. Period.
no way. Same shit. Bitch, why are you looking at me?
Bitch, who the fuck you looking at? Fix your fucking glasses, bitch.
Have you seen yourself, bitch?
Stop, what? Y'all, who daughter up here trying to curse me out? You need to be trying to read a fucking book. Let me stop cursing these kids out. But she cursed me out. Shit, fuck it. I know. Bitch, who you calling the bitch, first of all?
You can leave the attitude.
You don't tell me what to do. Period. I know I look good, period. Oh, I'm so mean. She said, first of all, you can leave the fucking attitude, period.
Hi.
Bye.
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 Bye, bitch. Stinking ass. Need to put them fucking shorts down.
Hi. No? No?
No.
Why? Oh, you ugly.
Bitch, you ugly. Let me see you. I bet right now you ain't got no fucking haircut and you got Bitch, right now you need to go read a fucking book. You riding a fucking bus home, girl. Go read a fucking book and stop talking to grown folks before I come whoop your ass. I'ma come whoop your ass with a motherfucking belt. That's what your ass need. Cause these kids, like, I don't know if it's the fucking time of the day, but these kids is on this fucking app and they running their fucking mouth and they think that I ain't gonna say shit back because you're a fucking child. Bitch, where? Stop playing with me.
Oh, shit.
I know. Bitch, you ugly. Put your whole face in the camera, first of all. And then the bitch. When I come on here, if I don't say nothing, if I'm just being nice and sweet, oh, she a bad bitch, oh, she cute, da 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 da. Soon as I start being bougie, as soon as I start goddamn talking crazy, now I'm ugly. So what, my personality make me ugly, my attitude make me ugly, because I know, bitch, I'm not fucking ugly, just by looks alone, bitch.
Natalia, and she was so weird. Girl, you ugly.
Bitch, you ugly. Right now, you want me to look at your ceiling because you ugly. Put your face in the camera. You fucking hater. Bitch, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
You're pretty.
I know. Okay. She's just like, I I'm sorry, boo. You cute too. I'm sorry.
Why you looking at her like that? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. The fuck?
The fuck?
You on your boyfriend phone?
Bitch, no. I'm on your boyfriend phone.
Oh my gosh, what's your black ass lips? What's your black ass lips? Shut up, you fucking booty crack looking bitch. The fuck?
I know you a hater. 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 And you in a high school bathroom? You in a high school bathroom? You in a high school bathroom?
It don't matter.
You a fucking child.
You arguing with a child. I don't even wear no makeup, bitch. Your whole face caked out like a fucking...
It don't even fucking matter. It don't fucking matter. And if you want to talk like an adult, if you want to talk crazy like an adult, I can handle you like an adult. Fuck that if you're a child or not. Bitch, I will beat your ass to sleep and back up.
Shit, bitch. I'll beat your ass.
I can't. Like, I told you, bitch. Bitch, didn't I tell you we was gonna get these bitches riled up, bitch? Bitch, didn't I tell you we was gonna get these bitches riled up, bitch? Didn't I tell you that? If you ain't hit that subscribe button or that like button or commented some crazy funny shit down below already, then what the fuck are you doing, bitch? What the fuck are you doing? Like... No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, baby girl. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, baby girl. Period.
Oh, you're so pretty.
I know. Oh.
Hello. You're pretty cute.
I know.
Okay, ugly bitch. Bye.
Bitch, don't fucking play with me.
You're very pretty.
I know.
Okay.
She just said okay. Okay, bitch.
Hi. You're so pretty.
I know. I know.
She's a bad bitch.
Period.
She's a bad bitch. What's up with you?
Period. See, at least somebody know. At least somebody know. They know. They know. I'm not making this shit up. Y'all heard this here first. They said it, not me. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. Ah!
Okay. Wait, can you add more time?
Ava, are you doing some homework?
Yeah.
Get off this monkey app and focus on your homework, Ava.
Wait, add more time.
No, I want you to get good grades, Ava. No, because if we add more time, you're going to still be on this app. Get off this app, Ava. Ava, get off this app. Do your homework.
Hey, girl.
Girl, bye.
Bitch, so ugly.
Bitch, shut your ugly ass up. Don't fucking come for me. Don't come for me unless I send for you, bitch. Period.
Hey, you're pretty.
I know.
Why
Oh.
you ain't say thank you?
You don't tell me what to say. You don't tell me what to say. You don't tell me what to say. I say what I want to say when I want to say it how I want to say it.
The wave goodbye button don't pop up fast enough for me. Oh, hi. You're really pretty, by the way.
I know.
Oh, well, that's good, you know.
Yeah, I'm glad you know too. I'm glad you know too. Ew. What you looking at?
I will beat you.
No, fuck you won't. Shut the fuck up. You won't do shit. You won't do shit with your fine ass. Hey, boo. I need to go back and scoop on back around and see what the fuck her name was, y'all. Cause, baby, I was just, it's a prank, baby. It's a prank, baby. Baby, it's a prank. I'm gonna hit you up.
I'm not, honey. You are gorgeous. Yes, baby.
I know, baby.
Period. You gotta know. That's tough.
Period. Period. fucking silence.
You are beautiful. You are gorgeous.
Moment of silence. Moment of fucking silence, bitch. Period. Now. Bye.
Fuck you, honey.
Fuck you, hoe. Don't fucking play with me. Don't play with me, bitch. I'll beat you to fucking sleep. Don't play with me. I will rock your world. Night night, baby girl. Night night. Shit. Rock you to fucking sleep, bitch. Don't. Bye. Bitch, don't fucking play with me. Why the fuck your goddamn donut sitting up on top of your head like that? Don't come for me, bitch. I'm not the fucking one. Don't play with me at all. Period. I don't know if she was just shocked or if she just didn't have nothing else to say, but bitch. You ain't saying that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, friend. I'm sorry, friend. I'm sorry. And then the other friend was over there like, she was just shocked, bitch. Like, what's happening? Bye. Nah, these bitches ridiculous. You got one time only. Call me a fucking bitch, bitch. Don't fucking play with me. Don't play.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Bye, bitch.
Ugly ass.
Bitch, you an ugly asshole. Don't come for me. Cause at this point, I can't. Love y'all so much. If you haven't checked out me calling those moms, y'all make sure y'all check that out. I'll leave it in the description box below. Love y'all. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button on your way out, or check out some of my other videos because they all lit, bitch. Period. And that's just that on that. Love y'all again. Stay safe, stay beautiful, stay humble, bitch. I love y'all. Later.